Maayong adlaw and welcome to the new inspiring episode of Ini sa Sursur, In Service and Beyond. Today's episode highlights how the DILG's 3M core values, the matino, mahusay at maaasahan, shape the path to excellence in public service. So joining us is the City Local Government Operations Officer of Tandag City, whose journey spans decades of dedication, grit, and heart, truly reflecting these values in action. It is our pleasure to welcome our very own LG006, Olivia Ging P. Bagasbas. Hello, Ma'am Ging.
Hello, welcome to Tandag City.
Thank you and welcome to our show. Thank you so much for joining us today, Ma'am Ging.
My pleasure.
So, karong adlaw maghisgot ta sa imuhang track record in public service. Sakto ba, Ma'am Ging? It's more than or almost 4 decades.
Almost 4 decades.
Okay.
I started in 1987. That time, the lowest technical personnel position was BGO, Barangay Governance Operations Officer, BGO 01. And I had my pre-service training in 1991.
So I would really say nga sa imong kadugayon with the department and holding that, from the provincial office down to the field, from the front lines, I would really say nga imong secret ingredients ang atong 3M core values. And mentioning of the 3 values, let's start with being matino, Ma'am Ging. Sa kadugayon na nimo sa serbisyo, in your years of service, how has staying matino helped you in your work as a field officer?
Integrity has always been my compass. Bisag walay nagtanaw. Because I know that God is, nagtanaw man jud kung nagserbisyo kag tarong o wala. No? It guided me in every decision, especially in situations where na-pressure, there is urgency, and competing interests. But being grounded in integrity means consistently choosing what is right over what is convenient. Nakatabang sad ni siya to build the trust with the LGU I work with and the communities nga ako ang giserbisyohan. Sa field operations man God, credibility is everything. Once trust is established, coordination becomes smoother, compliance may improve siya, and partnership becomes stronger. Integrity, that is being matino, has also protected me from shortcuts that could compromise service delivery. It always reminds me that public service is not about personal gain, but about accountability to the people I serve.
Exactly. And being matino, once the people, like the community, let's say the leaders, no, itong mga LCEs, mga officials, atong partners sa LGUs, once they know that you're that kind of officer, field officer, naturally, mo follow gyud dayon ang pagsalig. And, it's the integrity that opens doors. But once you're inside, of course, it's your skills that keeps you there.
In a way.
Right? And this brings to our second M, Ma'am Ging, mahusay, right? Which is, I would say, kinahanglan gyud siya nga part or naa ka. You already have the character and then this times the excellence. So what experiences or challenges nga nakatabang nimo to become more competent in your work? And eventually, how did these experiences contribute to your recognition, those recognitions that we've mentioned? And also, you being the 2025 national winner sa Singsing ng Tanikala sa atong 10th CapDev ACE Awards.
My competence was shaped through continuous exposure sa field. Sa field manggod na agad ang tinuod nga battle, challenges. From assisting LGUs in compliance with national mandates, facilitating capacity development activities, resolving operational bottlenecks on the ground. Each challenge became a learning experience para sa ako. I remember times when resources were limited or when the LGUs struggled with compliance. Instead of seeing this as obstacles, I treated them as opportunities to learn, to innovate, to collaborate. I immersed myself in capacity development, guided the LGUs patiently, and made sure that technical assistance, but not just about compliance, but about empowerment. Kaninga mga experiences contributed significantly to my recognition as a Captive ACE awardee. And they demonstrated not only technical proficiency, but also the ability to translate sa guidance ng DILG to the LGUs into practical working solution at the local level. Nag-reinforce sad ni siya sa akong commitment to continuous learning and responsive service delivery. Actually, factor po kung unsang imong LGU na giservisyohan.
Performance.
Okay. So, nakatabang siya. Kumbaga, di sad siguro ko ma-outstanding sa pila ka tuig na ang Captive ACE. Dako na kay na siya nga before my retirement. Salamat kay nakuha nako na no.
Yes.
Dako pod nga factor ang LGU ug ang support sa mga leaders.
Exactly. Okay. Wow. That's really inspiring, Ma'am Ging, no? As you've mentioned earlier, you took those challenges as your learning mga points. Kumbaga, pag okay na ni, naka-award na ni, you never stopped there. In fact, it was like a continuous climb nga, and kanunay, dili lang dira.
Was hunger
Oh, yes. And
for excellence.
it's not just para sa imuha, but naadyo kay makita the performance sa imuhang barangay nga mo reflect sa imuhang nahatag or na-help sa ila. And at the same time, mo reflect back sa unsay result o unsay performance sa LGUs. No? That's nice. Now, that leads us to our third na core value, which is that makes you reliable, a reliable field officer. Now, in what ways kaha, Ma'am Ging, have you shown sa imuha that you are truly maaasahan as a partner sa atong LGU and the communities, and how is this reflected in your role as an awardee?
I have shown reliability by consistently being present and responsive to the needs of my LGUs. When I say LGUs, I'm referring to my city and its component barangays. Especially during critical periods such as mga assessments and compliance deadlines, capacity development interventions. Kanang makita jud ka, ana wala lang ka nagsugo kundi nagpasunod ka nga mahimo, no? And being maasahan means I do not only respond when it is convenient, but especially when support is urgently needed. I ensure that commitments are followed through, concerns are properly endorsed, and technical assistance is delivered at a timely manner. As a partner, I make sure that I do not just provide guidance, but I stay engaged until concerns are properly addressed and resolved.
That's a powerful word, being present and being there all the time, no matter what.
Yes.
The support is really there. That's perfect. Okay, so this time, actually, including myself, nga medyo baguhan pa gyud sa department, this is gonna be our last question siguro kay Ma'am Ging. Unsa may imong mai-share sa atong mga kaubanan sa department nga bag-o pa lang nagsugod?
Madaghan ra ba mo kaysa sa amo, kaysa sa amo nga mga retirables na. To the new generation field officers and fellow civil servants na mga nagsunod na. It is my hope nga kanabitang kanta ngayon nga, and may all who come behind me find me faithful. I hope makita nila na, and remember that our work is not just a job. Balikon ako ganina, no? It is a calling. Consider your job as a mission and your LGU as your mission field. Serve the people as you serve God. Stay matino by holding integrity close to your heart, because trust is the foundation of service. Strive to be mahusay by continuously learning and adapting, because competence is not static. It grows with experience and humility. Kalimot na. Do not rely on your own understanding. And be maasahan by showing up consistently, because reliability is what makes communities believe in government. Colossians 3:23 says, whatever you do, work as it is with your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. As public servants in the Department of the Interior and Local Government, let us serve humbly yet proudly, knowing that our strength lies not on the titles or positions, but in the trust we earn and the lives we uplift. To be servant leader, it is to embrace humility. And to be a proud DILG officer is to carry the honor of representing the people with dignity. Imo alang inyong trabaho, not for recognition, but with sincerity for the communities you serve. Stay grounded, keep learning, and never lose the heart of service. In the end, it is not only what we accomplish that matters, but how faithfully and honestly we serve along the way. But if your foundation is integrity, being matino, your practice is competence, being mahusay, and your habit is reliability, being maasahan, then your service will always have meaning and impact. So live with the 3 M's. If you live by these values, you will not only succeed in your career. Addressing to the younger generation LGOOs, you will make a lasting difference in the lives of the people you serve. Being said, I hope I have served my department as I served my God.
And with that, you deserve, Ma'am Ging, a 3M clap. Matino, mahusay, maaasahan. Right, so thank you so much, everyone. Again, ini sa Sursur.